Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, welcome you all in Pakistan International School Taif Virtual Learning System. Today is our 22nd video lecture for grade 7 students, boys and girls. I'm Mrs. Rosia Imran, your mathematics teacher. Unit 8 we already started, and first two exercises we already done in our previous video lecture. Today we are going to start exercise 8.3. First question is multiply. You have given these numbers, you are going to multiply them. If you check in first two lectures, in exercise 8.1 and exercise 8.2, we done addition and subtraction of the algebraic terms. Here we have given multiplication of algebraic terms. So remember one thing, when you multiply same operator, same sign, means that plus multiply with plus, so you will get plus. When you multiply different operators, different sign, plus and minus, when you multiply them, so you get minus. If the signs are same, minus into minus, again you will get plus. So means that if the same numbers multiply, same signs multiply with each other, we get plus. If different sign multiply with each other, we get minus. And the coefficient multiply with the coefficient, and the variable multiply with the variable. When variable multiply, if they are same, so their powers will be added. Now look at the first part. In first part, you have given 7m multiply minus 8. So with 7m, there is no sign, so means that plus. So plus minus minus. 7 8s are 56. The variable m we write as it is with answer. Look at the second part. In second part, you have given 2ab multiply with 3a square b. So means that the coefficient 2 and 3 multiply with each other. A multiply with a square, b multiply with b square. So 3 2s are 6. A multiply with a square, their powers added. So here if there is nothing in the power, so means that 1 is present. So 1 plus 2, 3. So a power 3. And in b power, if there is nothing, so means that 1 is present. So 1 plus 2, 3. Now look at the third part. In third part, you have given 4xy plus 2x square y. So the coefficient multiply with coefficient, 4 2s are 8. X multiply with x square, so the powers added. Here if nothing in the power, so means that 1 is present. So 1 plus 2, x power 3. Y multiply with y, so y power 1. Here power 1, so 1 plus 1, y power 2. So these are the first three parts of question number 1. Now come to the fourth part. Fourth part is minus 4ab minus 2bc. Minus and minus. When two same signs multiply, I told you that minus into minus plus. So if there is nothing present here, so means that it's positive. 4 2s are 8. A, there is no a present in the second value, so we write it as it is. B, second value b present, so both powers added, 1 plus 1, b power 2. C, only one time present, so we write it 1. Now look at the fifth part. In fifth part, you have given 3lm cube multiply 3mn. So the coefficient 3 and 3 multiply with each other. 3 3s are 9. L is present only one time, we write it one time. M cube here, m power 3, and here m power 1. So 3 plus 1, m power 4. N is present single time, so you write it one time. Look at the ninth part, 6th, 7th, 8th. You will do it by yourself in the same way. It's very easy, nothing difficult in this. So you can easily do it in 6th part, minus 6x square y and 3xy z square. So 6 minus 6 into plus 3. So minus 18 x power 3 y square z square you will get. So you can easily do it. It's nothing difficult or different. Same just like the previous parts. So look at the last part of question number 1. Minus 4x square y z power 7 and 8xy power 4 z cube. Negative and this is positive. So plus minus. When different signs multiply, minus. 4 8s are 32. X present 2 times here. Here 1 times power 1. So powers added. So x power 3. Y 1 time present here. Here 4 times. So y power 5. Z present 7 times and here 3 times. So z power 10. Now come to the next question. Question number 2. You have given simplify. Simplify means if there is something present outside the bracket, you multiply inside, and if they are adding, so add them. If they are subtracting, so subtract them. So question number 2. Remember one thing, if the bracket and the value in between them, there is no sign, so it's understood that multiplication sign is present. Outside the bracket, if there is no sign, value, look, LM, and there is no sign, and then bracket start, L plus M. So means that multiplication is present. So means that if outside bracket anything present, so it will multiply with each value inside the bracket. So this LM multiply with the first L and then with the second M. So when it multiply with the first L, LM multiply with L, L power 1, here L power 1. I told you that when the variables multiply with each other, their powers added. So 1 plus 1, L power 2 and M we write as it is. Now this LM multiply with the second value with M. L we write as it is, M into M, M square. Now come to the second part. Second part is 2P bracket P plus Q. So 2 ones are coefficient is 1, 2 ones are 2, P multiply P, P square, and then 2P multiply with the second value. So 2P, PQ both are different. So we write it as it is. Their powers not added. Powers only added when they are same. Now this 3A multiply inside the bracket with A. So 3A power 2 because A into A, 1 plus 1 power 2. Minus sign, then 3 ones are 3. If there is nothing in the coefficient, so 1. 3 ones are 3. A as it is, B as it is. Now come to the next part. Number 4, 2x into 3x plus 4y means that this 2x multiply with the first value and then with the second value. When multiply with the first value, 3 2s are 6, x multiply x, x square, then plus sign, then 2x multiply with 4y, 4 2s are 8, x and y. You already done such type of question in class 6. So 2a multiply with this bracket. So 2a multiply with the first value, then with the second value. When multiply with the first value, 2 2s are 4, a into b. So ab, because both are different, so we write it as it is, minus sign as it is. 2 multiply 2, 2 2s are 4, a into c, ac. Next, 2lm multiply with the bracket L square M square minus N. So means that this 2lm first multiply with the first value, then it will multiply with the second value. When multiply with the first value, 2 will come as it is because 2 ones are coefficient is 1, 2 ones are 2. L multiply with L square, so their powers added. Here nothing in the power, so means that 1 is present. So 1 plus 2, L power 3. M into M square, M cube. Minus sign as it is. 2LMN. Because all these are different, so 2 ones are 2, LM as it is, and N will come. Now come to the next part. A into A plus B minus C means that this A multiply with the first value, then with the second value, then with the third value. So A into A, both are same, their powers added, A square plus sign as it is, A into B, AB minus sign as it is, A into C, AC. Now this 3x multiply with the first value, then with the second, then with the third. So 3 ones are, coefficient is 1. 3 ones are 3. X into x, same variables, power added, x square. Minus sign as it is, 3 twos are 6. X and y, both are different. So xy, we write it as it is when they are different. When the variable is different, their power will not be added. We will write it as it is. Now 3 twos are 6, x into z, xz. Now come to the last part of this question. 3p squared q into pq plus q square minus r4. So this first value multiply with the first value of the bracket, then with the second value of the bracket, then with the third value of the bracket. So when we multiply with the first value, coefficient is 1, 3 ones are 3. P square multiply with P cube. So powers added, 3 plus 2, P power 5. Q as it is because single. Now multiply with the second value. Coefficient is 1. 3 ones are 3. There is no P, so P square we write it as it is. Q here 1 time, here 2 time powers added, Q power 3. And then minus sign, 3 ones are 3, and all the 3 variables different. So we write it as it is, P square, Q and R power 4. So this is exercise 8.3. Very easy exercise. I hope you will understand it. So now come to the next exercise. Next chapter. Next chapter is chapter number, unit number 9. These are equations. You already study equations in class 6. It's very easy, not difficult. So according to your scheme of study, in exercise 9.1, question number 1 and 2 is included in your scheme of study. And in question number 1, first 10 parts, and question number 2, first 10 parts. So in chapter number 9, the included questions are question number 1 from part 1 to 10, having 15 parts, but first 10 parts is included in your scheme of study. And in question number 2, 12 parts, but first 10 parts included in your scheme of study. So solve the following equation. Remember one thing, when you solve the equation in which the variable is given, variables are these values, x, y, z, the alphabets, you have to find the value of that variable by doing the algebra, by solving with the mathematical rules that we already study it in algebra, and we already study it in class 6, and we study it in previous chapter also. So with the help of the algebraic rules, you have to simplify and find the value of the unknown variable. So question number 1 is solve the following equations. So 1 over 2x, 1 over 8x is equal to 4. So means that you have to find the value of x. So means that you have to remove this 8 from here. To remove this 8, you have 2 methods to solve this. One is that multiplying both sides by 8, so automatically 8 will cancel with 8 and you get the value of x. Second method is that 8 is divided here. When shifted at other side, it will be multiply. So x is equal to 4 into 8, 8 4s are 32. So in both way you can do. Which one you feel easy, you do it with that method. Multiplying both sides, you have to find the value of x. If anything multiply and divide with x, you shift that. So 8 is here. So to remove this 8 from here, so what will we do? Multiplying both sides by 8. 8 cancel with 8. So x1 is a x, 4 8 is a 32. Second method is that 8 is divided here, shifted at other side, it will be multiply. So x1 is a x, 4 8 is a 32. So both ways are correct. You can apply any one of them. Come to the next part. X minus 7 minus 15. Now you have to find, solve equation means you have to find the unknown variable. You are going to find the solution set. So if something is added or subtracted with x, you shift that value. Here x minus 7, so means that 7 you remove from here. So how can you remove it from here? Here minus 7, when shifted, you know that algebraic rule. If something is positive, shifted at other side, it will be negative. If something is negative, shifted at other side, it will be positive. If something multiply, shifted at other side, it will be divide. If something divide, shifted at other side, it will be multiply. So minus 7 when shifted at other side, plus 7. So minus 15 plus 7. You know that when one value is negative, other one is positive, we subtract them and put the sign of greater number. So 15 minus 7, what we get? 8. But we put with 8 negative sign because 15 is the greater number. So x is equal to minus 8. Now come to the next part, x plus 1 equal to 5. Now tell me, this is plus 1. To remove plus 1 from here, what will we do? Yes, plus 1 we shift on other side. It will be minus 1. So when shifted at other side, it will be minus 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. So x is equal to 4. Now come to the next part, 2x minus 6. Now 2 is multiply with x and 6 is subtracting from 2x. So remember one thing, if such type of situation, so first you shift that value which is adding or subtracting. After that, the value which is multiplying with the variable or divide with the variable. So in first step, you shift this 6 on equality other side. Here minus 6, when shifted at other side, it will be plus 6. So 0 plus 6. So 0 plus 6 is 6. Now 2 multiply with x. Shifted at other side, it will be divide. So 0 plus 6, 6. 2 shifted at other side, so it will be divide. Multiply here, shifted at other side. Or you can remove this 2 by dividing both sides by 2. You have two ways. One is that you shift this 2 on other side, it will be divide because here it multiply with x. The second, that divide both side by 2 to remove this 2. So divide both side by 2 to cancel with 2. So x is equal to 6 divided by 2, 3. So x is equal to 3. Come to the next part, 11x minus 2. Again, first you shift this minus 2 on other side, it will be plus 2. So 11x, 20 plus 2. So 11x is equal to 22. 11 multiply with x, shifted at other side, it will be divide, or both sides divide by 11. So 11x divided by 11 or 22 divided by 11. So x is equal to 2. Now come to the next part. Here 17 multiply with x. To remove this 17, divide both sides by 17. So 255 divided by 17, 17 cancel with 17. So x is equal to 15. 17 15s are 255. Come to the next part. 5x minus 3 equal to 12. 3 is subtracted here. Shifted at other side, it will be plus. So 12 plus 3, 15. Now you have two ways. You shift this 5 on other side, it will be divide, or divide both sides by 5. So 5x divided by 5, 15 divided by 5. 5 cancel with 5, 5 3s are 15. So x is equal to 3. Next part is 11 minus x equal to 6. Now you have to find the positive x. Here x is negative. Now again you have two ways that you shift this x at this side, 6 at the other side. And the other way is that multiply both sides by minus 1. You have choice. You can shift this x at equality other side to make it positive, and 6 at equality this side to make it negative. And the other way, multiply both sides by minus 1. So minus 11 plus x minus 6. Now this minus 11 shifted at other side, it will be plus 11, or add 11 on both sides. So 11, 11 cancel. So x is equal to 5. Now here x over 3 minus 7 equal to 2. Again you have two ways. One is that you shift this minus 7 on other side, it will be plus 7, or this is minus 7, so add 7 on both sides. When you add 7 on both sides, minus 7 plus 7 cancel. X over 3, 7 plus 2, 9. Now this 3 is divide here. One way is that you shift it other side and multiply with 9. The second way is multiply both sides by 3. The opposite operator you will do. Here 3 is divided, so you multiply both sides by 3. Here 7 was subtracted, so you add both sides by 7. So 3, 3 cancel. So x is equal to 27. Now question number 2. Find the solution of the following equations. You have given equations, you have to solve them. Means that the variable you shifted at equality one side and the constant you shifted at equality other side. The value which having variable you shifted at one side and the value which are constant you shifted at other side. And remember, in equations, minus value shifted other side, it will be plus, plus value shifted other side, it will be minus, multiply value shifted at other side, divide, and divide value shifted at other side, multiply. So separating variables and numerals means that the variables and the numbers we separate. How we separate them? Look, 3x is 3x is at this side. When we shifted at other side, here it's positive, it will be minus 3x. Look, here is minus 3. When shifted at this side, it is positive 3. Now from 5x subtract 3x, we get 2x. And 3 minus 5, we get minus 2. Because when one is positive, other one negative, we subtract them, but put the sign of the greater number. So minus 2, 2x minus 2. Now to remove this 2 from here, one way is that you shift this 2 on other side and multiply, divide it on the other side, because here it's multiply. The second way is that divide both sides by 2. When you divide both sides by 2, 2 will cancel with 2. And here again 2 will cancel with 2. So x is equal to minus 1. So this is the solution set. Now come to the next part. Second part, 3x plus 8, 5x plus 2. So 5x you shifted at this side, it will be minus 5x. 8 shifted on other side, it will be minus 8. So minus 5x plus 3x. When one is positive, other one negative, we subtract them. So 3x minus 5x minus 2x, sign of greater number, minus 2x, plus 8 minus, plus 2 minus 8. So 8 minus 2, 6. And the greater number is 8, so it's sign minus 6. Now one way is that minus 2 multiply here, shifted at other side, so minus 2 will be divide and you will get the answer. And the other way that divide both sides by minus 2. When divide both sides by minus 2, you will get minus 2x divided by minus 2 minus 6 divided by minus 2. 2 minus 2 and minus 2 cancel. Here minus sign cancel with minus sign and 2 3s are 6. So x is equal to 3. Come to the third part. In third part, before shifting the values, first you open the bracket. So how can you do it? 12x minus 3 as it is equal sign this 5 multiply with the first value and then with the second value. When multiply with the first value, 5 2s are 10, 10x plus 5 1s are 5. Now 10x is positive here. When shifted at other side, it will be 12x minus 10. Minus 3 shifted at other side, it will be plus 3. So 12x minus 10x, 3 plus 5. 12 minus 10 plus 2 plus 2x equal to 8. Now divide both sides by 2 to remove this 2 from here. 2x divided by 2, 8 divided by 2. So x is equal to 4. The next part is x minus 3. I told you when you have such type of fraction, when two fractions and in between them equality sign, just do it by cross multiplication. The first fraction numerator multiply with the second fraction denominator and the first fraction denominator multiply with the second fraction numerator. So by cross multiplication, this 3x multiply with 5 and this 3 multiply with x plus 1. Now open the bracket. 5x minus 5 3s are 15. 3x, 3 1s are 3. 3x shifted at other side. So 5 separating variables and numerals. 3x is shifted at other side minus 3x. 15 shifted at this side plus 15. So 5x minus 3x, 15 plus 3. So you get 2x equal to 18. Divide both sides by 2 to remove this 2 from here. 2 cancel and x is equal to 9. Next, eighth part is again 3x minus 8. Again you do it by cross multiplication if nothing is in the denominator. So 1. 3x minus 8 and 1 multiply with 5x minus 2. Open the bracket. 3x minus 8 as it is. 5 1s are 5. 5x minus 2. Separate the variables in numerals. So 5x and 3x you shifted on other side minus 3x. This is minus 8. 2 shifted on other side plus 2. So 5x minus 3x, 2x and minus 8 plus 2 minus 6. Divide both sides by 2 to remove this 2 from here. 2 cancel. So x is equal to 2 3s are 6 minus 3. Again you do it by cross multiplication. 3 multiply with x plus 3. 2 multiply with x plus 6. So 3x, 3 3s are 9 equal sign 2x, 2 6s are 12. Now separate the variables and numerals. 2x is positive here, shifted at other side, negative. 9 positive here, shifted at other side, negative. 3x minus 2x, x. 12 minus 9, 3. So this was the last question. So now in exercise 8.3, question number 1, 6th, 7th and 8th part is your homework. And exercise 9.1, question number 1, only one part I didn't solve, that is the 9th part. You do it by yourself. And in question number 2, 4th, 6th and 7th part you have to solve it. I hope you will understand it. It's very easy. You already done it in class 6. Nothing difficult in this. So try to solve it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.